Cryptocurrencies are on fire now, and they have helped many people to make a fortune out of them. There are more than 6,000 cryptocurrencies in existence, and the number is expanding as well. The next great digital token may be released tomorrow. If you were wondering as to which crypto you should invest in, investing in which cryptocurrencies will be a smart move to make, and wondering what this is all about, make sure that you stick to the video until the end, as we will reveal why the price of Bitcoin will increase soon. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notified about our new videos. If you find this video inspiring and wish to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button. Do let us know in the comments below which crypto will perform well in the year 2022. So let's get into the video without any further delay. To get our basics straight, let's understand the concept of blockchain. A blockchain in a sentence is a digital, ever-growing list of data entries. A list like this is made up of numerous pieces of data that are structured in chronological order and are linked and guarded by cryptographic proofs. Although blockchain technology is older than Bitcoin, it is a key component of most cryptocurrency networks, serving as a decentralized, distributed, and public digital ledger that maintains a permanent record of all previously confirmed transactions. Transactions on the blockchain take place in a peer-to-peer network of globally distributed computers. Each node keeps a copy of the blockchain and contributes to the network's functionality and security. This is what distinguishes Bitcoin as a decentralized digital money with no borders, no censorship, and no need for third-party intermediaries. The blockchain as a distributed ledger technology, DLT, is purposefully designed to be very resistant to hacking and fraud. This is because the Bitcoin blockchain, as a database of records, cannot be changed or tampered with without an impractical amount of electricity and computational power, meaning the network can enforce the concept of original digital documents, making each Bitcoin a very unique and uncopyable form of digital currency. The proof-of-work consensus algorithm is what allowed Bitcoin to be created as a Byzantine fault tolerance system, which means that its blockchain may continue to function as a distributed network even if some of the participants engage in dishonest activity or perform inefficiently. The Bitcoin mining process relies heavily on the proof-of-work consensus mechanism. Business is based on information. The faster and more accurate it is received, the better. Because blockchain delivers immediate, shareable, and entirely transparent information recorded on an immutable ledger that can only be viewed by permissioned network users, it is excellent for conveying that information. Orders, payments, accounts, production, and much more may all be tracked using a blockchain network. You can see all facts of a transaction end-to-end since members share a single view of the truth, providing you greater confidence as well as new efficiencies and opportunities. Bitcoin is the first and most widely used cryptocurrency. Many people refer to Bitcoin as digital gold, and it has become a wealth store and investment opportunity for millions of individuals across the world. The price of Bitcoin has decreased multiple times in the last 10 years, and many people still believe it has failed. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is able to recover because of the dedicated Bitcoin community. Bitcoin's value will almost certainly rise quickly. Bitcoin is also mined just like gold. Obviously, the method is different. In this process of crypto mining, there will be the usage of high-powered computers or networks in the process of Bitcoin mining. Multiple math equations are to be solved for Bitcoin to be released. Bitcoin provides you anonymity because of the way blockchain works. In Bitcoin, you don't provide your real name. Governments can't know who owns it, and it's impossible for any government to confiscate it. This feature was built into Bitcoin from the start. It's anti-authoritarian by design, so governments cannot do anything about it. It's true that there's no huge institution monitoring Bitcoin, yet it is extremely safe as well as it could be easily verified. and it's practically impossible to tamper or forge any of the data about Bitcoin. As mentioned earlier, the transaction information is stored in hundreds of thousands of systems, and if anyone is going to tamper with it, then they will have to tamper with all of the systems, which is obviously not possible. Bitcoin exchanges, like Coinbase, bring together market participants from all around the world to buy and sell Bitcoins. These exchanges have grown in popularity, but they also pose regulatory, legal, and security concerns. The rules governing the purchase and selling of Bitcoins are intricate and ever-changing, since governments throughout the world view cryptocurrencies in various ways, as currency, an asset class, or any number of other categories. The volatility of Bitcoin is yet another reason for investors to play a steady long game. If you're looking for long-term growth potential, don't be concerned about short-term fluctuations. The best thing you can do is ignore your cryptocurrency investment or set it and forget it. Experts continue to warn that when there is a price swing, whether up or down, emotional reactions can cause investors to act rashly and make decisions that result in losses on their investment. Bitcoin price prediction over long term, in our opinion, is very positive. As discussed in the beginning, Bitcoin has certain influential technical analysis and fundamental forces working in its favor. Since its inception in 2009, Bitcoin has been in and out of the spotlight, but it's still here today with a market value of $672 billion. Bitcoin's chances of crashing to zero are reducing as time passes and more organizations start taking it seriously. Our short-term and long-term prediction for our Bitcoin price ensures that you are fully aware of the outlook of this currency. In 2022, the crypto market, which, as expected, was quite volatile. However, as the price of Bitcoin starts to rise, it can now be a perfect time to add this crypto to your portfolio of investment. Bitcoin exchanges have become increasingly popular, while also posing regulatory, legal, and security issues, with governments across the globe seeing cryptocurrencies in various ways. As currency, an asset class, or any number of other categories, the rules regulating the purchase and sales of Bitcoins are complicated and ever-changing. With all these, let us get to know Bitcoin a bit closer. As of January 23rd, the value of Bitcoin is $34,699.68, with a 24-hour trading volume of $43,623,633,125. The current ranking is number 1, with a live market cap of $657,109,947,480. Bitcoin also only offers restricted delivery of 21 million coins, among which 18,937,062 Bitcoins are in circulation. If you found this video inspiring and wish to see more content like this, let us know which coin inspired you the most below in the comments section. Kindly note that the prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change, so they might have changed to a whole new value by the time you watch this video. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice and is for educational purposes only. Do conduct your due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. So there you have it, and with that, we have come to the end of our video. We hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this video inspiring and wish to see more content, then don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to avoid missing any more info. See you all soon in the next video.